Problems?
Yeah.
JJ, I think you're having problems.
Yeah. I think so too.
JJ thinks so too. I'm gonna set my gloves right here.
Alright.
So JJ got this new helmet. It's not really his. It's for look at this, guys. Look at it. JJ, show him what you're wearing. MHS number 10. We found it. Good job, JJ.
Let's weld and not make movies.
I know.
You guys have a lot of signatures.
I'm getting this set up. Alright, what was my just? I've been using my strength every single.
Check out my phone now. The colors. Nice.
Alright. I'm on like this. I don't care. I'm moving like this.
Watch this, guys. You just saw it. I've been practicing. Watch this. JJ, here's your electrode.
Are you?
JJ got a new helmet, guys. And it's just like mine. It's an auto darkener, so you can actually see where he's welding. The electrode.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna put my glove on. I'm gonna put my gloves on real quickly. So we're gonna try to do this one-handed. And I know what to do now. I gotta bite the glove. Or just like so. There's one. And then the other. Ah, perfect. Good, JJ, right? Right? Yeah.
Good. Alright.
So we're welded like this. Beautiful, JJ.
Yeah, I hate this. Alright.
Why don't we just take our trust? I just hit you. I'm sorry, JJ.
I'm a man. I can take it.
What if we just? I'm sorry, Trusty Pole, but it's for the better. It's for the. It had to happen, Trusty Pole.
Alright, good. One weld. Look like that. A little pad of beads, remember?
That's right, JJ. I forgot. Hey JJ, you good at freestyling?
What?
You good at freestyling?
Yeah, I suck at that. I suck at freestyle.
As I say, I could drop a bomb beat right now. Watch this. JJ, listen. You ready for a new electrode?
Nope.
Are you gonna? There he is. JJ. JJ.
What?
I said it's JJ.
It is. Where? I don't see no jackass.
What? Where's JJ at there?
I don't know.
I think he's right here. JJ is on the JJ. He's on the other side of this wall.
Oh, JJ.
JJ. So now what you gotta do? Explain to the people that don't know what a pad is. Explain what that is.
Alright, pretty much a beat of pads. You do some beats this way.
Oh, you did?
Yep.
This way?
Yep.
Now he's gonna go this way.
Yes.
Then he's gonna go this way again.
Yep.
And then he's gonna go that way again to cover all of his mistakes. But what happened? But what happened? You told that's what you told me yesterday, JJ. But what happens if on the final one where you're going like this, the second time what happens if you screw up? You gotta
go over it again.
You gotta go over it and over it again.
Yep, pretty much.
So JJ, you wanna end this one soon and then we can start a new one?
Sure.
JJ, say bye.
Goodbye.
Look at it. We're gonna zoom in on his foot. We're gonna zoom in on his foot.
What's it read?
There's his foot.
Oh.